Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 2 from the exercise 2.4. This is for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. Chapter is polynomials. Question here is, use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. As you can see, the first polynomial given is p of x, which is this. We have to divide this polynomial by g of x, which is x plus 1. Okay. So, the meaning is p of x, that is polynomial of x, is divided by g of x. Okay. Now, when we divide this, we will get a quotient here. Okay. And we will get a remainder as well. If the remainder is 0, okay, then we can understand g of x is a factor of p of x. If it is not equal to 0, then g of x is not a factor of p of x. Now let us start. P of x is this given polynomial, whereas g of x is given as x plus 1. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to equate g of x to 0. Why? Because we need to get the x value. Okay. So when LHS are same, which means RHS is also same, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Right hand side, x plus 1 is equal to this right hand side, which is equal to 0. Now find x value. X is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1. This is x value. Now this x value we are going to apply in p of x. P of x in the place of x minus 1 we are applying. Okay. So this will give you the clarity how we are applying the x value. Now 2 into x cube. What is the meaning? X is minus 1. Minus 1 cube plus x square, that is minus 1 square, minus 2 into minus 1. Okay. X is minus 1. Minus 1. Now let us expand this. 2 into minus 1 cube. As we know, minus 1 to the power of odd number, it will be minus 1 only. How? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That is, minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Here sign is minus 1. Now multiply 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. Now you can understand very simply that minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1 only. Minus 1 to the power of even number is plus 1. Now we can write this. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Okay. Plus minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is minus 1 into minus 1, which is minus into minus is plus. 1 ones are 1. So if it is even, it is plus 1. So we can write minus 1 square is plus 1. Now here minus 2 into minus 1. So now multiply the sign. Minus into minus is plus. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. Now we are going to remove this bracket. Multiply 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Negative 2 and positive 2. It will be 0. The same way, when you add 1 minus 1, positive 1 and negative 1, when you are adding, it will becomes 0. Finally, the answer is 0, which is p of minus 1. Now, here it is very clear this is the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then g of x is a factor. We can say, in factor theorem, g of x is a factor of p of x. Second subdivision is, p of x is given as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x is equal to x plus 2. Now let us equate this to 0. G of x is equal to 0. Now the purpose is to find the x value. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we need x value transposed to the other side. Plus 2 becomes minus 2 here. This is x value. Now this x value we are going to substitute in the polynomial p of x, that is p of x value. Now it becomes minus 2. Okay, x cube, that is minus 2 cube, plus 3 into x square, that is minus 2 square, plus 3 into x value. What is x value? Minus 2, plus 1. Expand this, minus 2 cube, okay, which is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus, okay, plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now minus 2 cube is minus 8. It is minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square. We know if it is even number, then it will be positive. So minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. Here we have 4. Okay. Now here plus 3 into minus 2. Now multiply the sign first of all. Plus into minus, it is minus. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. So we have to remove this bracket. Minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 6 plus 1. Okay. Now we can segregate the negative numbers, that is minus 8 minus 6 plus 12 plus 1, like this. Okay. So addition, same symbol, add the numbers and keep the sign, that is 8 plus 14, add the numbers and keep the same sign. Okay, plus 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, now we can see both are different sign. In addition, if they are different signs, subtract the number and retain the greater number sign, that is minus 14 plus 13 is subtract the numbers, because one is negative and one is positive. Subtract it. So it will be 1. 14 minus 13 is 1. What is the greater number? 14. So the sign is minus 1. So we know that minus 14 plus 13, it is minus 1. This is P of minus 2. It is very clear minus 1 is not equal to 0. Then we can say g of x is not a factor of P of x. So by factor theorem, g of x is not a factor of P of x. The third subdivision, P of x is given as x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. G of x is given as x minus 3. Let us equate g of x to 0. So right hand side, x minus 3 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus 3 transposed to the other side, it will become plus 3. Now this positive 3 we are going to apply in the place of x. So now x value is 3, which is 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus x value is 3 plus 6. Let us expand this. Okay, 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. That is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay, minus 4 into. Expand 3 square. We know that 3 square is 3 into 3. That is 3 into 3, which is 9 plus 3. So simply it is only 3 plus 6. Okay. Now 27 minus, we can multiply 4 9s are 36 plus 3 plus 6 is 9. So now let us add the positive numbers. 27 plus 9. So this one and this one. 27 plus 9 is 36. Minus 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. That is P of 3 is equal to 0. This is equal to 0, which means g of x is a factor of P of x. Okay. So we can say by factor theorem, g of x is a factor of P of x. Okay. I hope you must have understood all the subdivisions which I have solved in this problem. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.